Welcome back, YouTube. This is Moto Curves and Curls, and it's your girl Amanda. We have two special events going on. One is a cook-off event for some special heroes, and the next one is for two of our members. Their son came back from deployment, and we will be escorting him back home, and his mom is unaware of it. So it's going to be great because she is also going to be part of the escort, and she does not even know it. My husband is getting our bikes out right now. It is very cold outside. It's about 40 degrees out, and the winds are about 18 miles per hour, so it's really chilly. I have several layers on, about to put another sweater on, and then put my jacket on. Again, it is cold, but we will muster through because this is what we do. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. I really appreciate the comments. Let's get this ride going.
Where you go? He ain't listening to you.
You get over here, the wind ain't too bad. You go over there, no, actually, the wind's coming from that way. Because you look at the flag. Right? Take a picture to last longer.
Okay, so we made it to the event, and it's called No One Fights Alone. It is for cancer survivors, and it's $10 to get in, and you get to have all the jambalaya and gumbo that you want, which comes in handy because it is a little chilly outside and windy. So got the band playing, got tons of people out here. Good cause, good charity. We love doing these kinds of events. I'm going to turn my camera around so you can get a good look at this event, and then we are off to our second event. Like I said, this is for a good cause. It's for cancer. And Freedom Cruiser Chapter 51, we like doing these kind of events. Get out, show our support to our community, to the people that we care for. And just so happened that one of our members' cousin is a cancer survivor, and that's what we're here for. So soon we will be leaving for our second event, and again, that is for two of our members. Their son comes home from deployment. He has been gone for about a year, so she does not know that he's already in town, and he will be meeting us. So, and she's a part of the escort again. So we're super excited. We're trying to keep this all quiet and just kind of enjoy this event, and hopefully I can videotape that as well.
Can you hold me?
Come here, Lena. Y'all
How
knew.
about that?
Yes.
That was so bad.
Yeah, I meant to text y'all yesterday that I was coming home. Hey, bud. What's up, home?
No, hard no, but right behind me.
I know. You were supposed to go get slippers. My mom said no.
So one day we got home.
Today.
Yeah, we were so excited.
Katie!
Yeah.
Katie! Come on!
Hey.
Y'all so bad. Can't believe y'all did that to me.
I can't believe y'all did that to me.
I can't.
Of course we did.
I know.
Yeah, you want to sit inside. That's why I grabbed him. Like, you hold him and come outside.
Stay inside.
Yeah. I'm like, grab him and come outside.
So this is my oldest, y'all. My oldest grandbaby. This is Katie.
Hello, Katie.
Katie.
You got a young one. Oh, the sun's in his eye.
And then his pants are soaking wet. I
And
guess
this is
his
my son Robert. Robert, that's
Hello, Robert.
Thank y'all. We appreciate it.
How you doing?
That was awesome.
I had a call.
Thank you.
No problem.
so where they had to meet y'all at.
I think I cut somebody off in the car.
That would be
I thought it was Charlene at first. Like, I'm trying to get video footage. Doggone it.
I didn't know it was part of y'all.
And we had a train.
All right, we made it. The surprise has happened. Mama was surprised. We pulled it off. We pulled that big secret off. Her son is home. It was great to see. So it was awesome. Now it's time to party.
Haha, you got played. Cheers. Cheers in the truck.
Cheers with your cranberry juice. Cranberry juice.
I'm looking for alcohol.
Put a shot of vodka in there.
Are you frisking it or warming them up?
So we just finished. We are home. We had a great day. Started off, took a ride to a charity event. It was a cook-off for cancer survivors and victims of cancer. Really great charity. And to top it off, we got to do an escort for two of our members' son that came back from deployment. He was gone for a year and Mama did not know, and it was a great surprise for her. Had lots of fun. I'm so thankful to the Freedom Cruisers and everything that we do. This isn't the only charity that we get involved with. We're always about helping our community and our loved ones. So it was great. It is cold outside and I am about to jump in the shower and get some rest. And thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a comment, like this video, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, you guys, bye.